Hi guys, so my student package has arrived. Just wanted to do a little bit of unboxing. I kind of opened it before, but I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. So this is a magnifying glasses. This is not included in the kit itself, but I think if you're starting off, you must have magnifying glasses because it's necessary, especially if you're blind like myself. And it comes with 5 different lenses, which is so I started off with this when I started my lash extensions. I went ahead and get myself one of these magnifying glasses, and it really helped. That's that. And it comes with a band to go on the head, which is what I prefer because I'm constantly looking down. This is more sturdy than to have the extensions here. All right, so that's that. And then we have our lab coat. This also is not included in the kit, but I think just to make yourself look nice and professional, I went ahead and get a lab coat from my student. I don't want to take it out of the bag because I cannot fold it back like how it is in the plastic. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So this is a kit here. The last kit I got from my last student was slightly different, but this one came with a nice little cute pink bag. Must have makeup. I don't know why they have makeup. I guess they should probably put lash or something. Anyhow, so this is the kit here. This is the bag. It's so nice and cute. It's nice and neat. If you're carrying, if you have to go to a client, this is a perfect size. So it's, let's say, slightly smaller than the box itself, so it's a perfect size. And we're just gonna go ahead and open it to see what's included in the kit. Let me get some space here. I'm gonna turn my camera like this. Okay, so we have the cleansing solution. I like the fact that it comes with a spray nozzle and not that you pour. So it's easier to spray the cotton pads than to pour. Sometimes you pour and you get too much out. So I like the fact that they have this spray here. Okay, you also get 2 tape. I like the fact these are white because it allows the lashes to be more pronounced when you're putting white as a background. So we have 2 tape, and it comes with 50 of the mascara wands, 50 in each pack, I think, or 25 in each pack. I'm not sure. I think it's supposed to be 100, so I might be right with 15 in each pack. They come with these. It also comes with 100 of the rings. Trust me, you're gonna need these, but I like to preserve them by putting a piece of foil on top of the rings right there, so you can actually save them. So it comes with 100 of these. This is the glue here, and the little thing to pierce the top here. I don't know what they call it, but this is what you use to pierce the inside to get the glue to come out. And this is cute. I prefer the glue, the remover paste, than the liquid one because it's more, I think it's more effective in removing lashes, so I prefer this. So this kit came with the lash glue remover paste. Okay, so we also have some eye patch. I think it's about 25 of them that came with the kit, and it's a pair. We have the micro Q-tips for cleaning the lashes. I think it's 100 that's in this pack. Okay, so we have the tweezer. This is HRC 40, and we have the HRC 40 as well. I don't know why they're the same numbers, but they have the straight one and then you have the curved one. It usually takes practice to know how you want, which hand you want to use the tweezers. So Yeah, it comes with 2 tweezers. And it comes with a pair of little scissors. This is so cute. And it also has 4 lashes. Normally they come with 3, but this particular one comes with 4, which is great. More options, more styles. So the length is, these are C curls, and these are in 0.20, 14 mm. That's the length of the lashes. The thickness of the lashes is 0.20. So we have a 14, a 12, a 10, and a 8. Okay, and these can last you very long. Very, very long. This can last you up to a year of service. In terms of your lashes, one strip should give you a full lash of classic per client, because there are lots that's on one strip. Okay, and then they have this little eye pack. This, I'm not sure what it is, to be honest, but it came in this kit this time around, and I'm guessing to put under the eyes if you don't have the eye packs. They have like a little bit of roughage to it, and it's also white. So this is the complete kit, guys. Everything is right here. So I'm just gonna package everything for my client, my student, so when we begin class on Wednesday, we get started. I'm so excited for her. I can't wait to start.